Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek and today I'll help you with connecting your OnceHub account with Keragon. Since OnceHub already provides you with HIPAA compliant appointment scheduling, you can use data that is collected from your booking forms and send this to your specialized healthcare applications using Keragon. To get started, you can log into your OnceHub account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Integrations. From here, you can click on APIs and webhooks to generate your API key. This would be required when you are connecting your OneSub account with Keragon. You can now go to Keragon's website by clicking on this button or accessing it directly. Once you're on the Keragon dashboard, you can click on Authentications from the left and click on Create New. In the search bar, we will search for OnceHub. The API key is the API key that we had generated earlier. And the OneSub account has now been connected with Keragon. You can now use the available tools within Keragon, which are get bookings, get users, and get contacts to get booking, user, or contact data from OneSub. We will be exploring these topics in other videos later on. I hope this video was helpful to you. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.